Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now I am talking about our madrasa education system. The story is very glorious. The need for madrasa education was filled by our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the Holy Quran was revealed to him, the subject of the teaching or the Quran, the Hadith, the duties and responsibilities of the Muslim, the madrasa name is Jamia Rabia Kilfara Madrasa. It has 250 students and 12 teachers. Our madrasa is best madrasa. The result of our madrasa is very good. I am proud to read in madrasa. We can learn many things and to be a great person. So I personally request all guardians visit our madrasa and then admitted your children in this madrasa.